Hi, my name is Kip Burtwhistle, Director of Talent Acquisition at Caliber Collision. Caliber Collision is the largest collision repair company in the nation, operating in 19 states with 630 locations to date. With EmployeeReferrals.com, it's helped us increase the awareness of our referral program across the country, and also providing a user-friendly experience, allowing our teammates to refer an individual with little to no hassle at all. With a click of a button, they can update all their network with all the current openings that Caliber has to offer. On the administrative side, it's really allowed us to optimize the management of our referral program by providing us analytics on all the teammates we've hired. It provides us with options of controlling the mass communication out to the field, tracking all candidates that come in, making sure that all candidates are contacted in a timely manner and that all referrals are validated. At first, it showed us analytics on overall turnover for all the referrals that we hired, which is about 12 to 13%. Those hard to fill positions, we had as low as 3% turnover from all the referrals. It really helps us get in front of the right people to select the right teammates to join the family. So when they come on, they are living the Caliber purpose of restoring customers to the rhythm of their life.